Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the coupon inserts that we will be getting this Sunday. Now keep in mind, not everybody gets the same inserts. I don't get about half of this, what I talk about, but I'm still here to share with you guys what I get. Now the site I am looking at is Sunday-coupons.net. I used to use these guys all the time. They have changed their website up a little bit, but we are supposed to be getting 3 inserts. Now if you guys are new to a video like this, I share with you guys the inserts that we're getting, but like I always tell you, when you guys start getting coupons and you see a coupon that you really want and then you realize you don't get it in your inserts, that's when you start paying attention of what coupons you will get and what ones you do not get. Like I know for sure half of these coupons I will not get, but there are sites where you guys can order individual coupons, so just want to share with you guys on that. But again, this is Sunday-coupons.net, and I just Google coupon inserts and that's what I find. But there's going to be 3 inserts coming out this Sunday, a Retail Me Not, a Smart Source, and we're getting P&G. So excited for that. But let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what we got. So here is the Retail Me Not. We are getting a 4 off of 1 Advil, 2 off of 1 Sinus, 4 off of 1 PM, 2 off of 1 Children's Advil, which usually sometimes there's some great deals in Savings Star with those deals. So make sure on Sunday morning you guys check and add things to Savings Star because you can get some good Advil, most likely free. We got Barilla Pasta Pouch, $1 off of 1. Centrum, 4 off of 1, and then the Multi Gummies, 3 off of 1, Emergency. Now I know I never get those coupons. I know for sure I never get the Garnier, but there is a 3 off of 2, and then a 2 off of 1, the Nutrice. We're getting Gold Bond, $1 off of 1, $1.50 off of 1. Here we got another Gold Bond. L'Oreal, that's another coupon I never get, but we have 3 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 5 off of 2. Nexium, 5 off of 1, and 3 off of 1. Purdue Chicken, Robitussin, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, and then Thermacare. So that is what is all going to be in the Retail Me Not. Here is what is going to be in the Smart Source. So we have $1.50 off of 1 Alka-Seltzer, Allegra, Aquaphor, 2 off of 1, and then 1 off of 1 for lip product. Bertolli sauces, 75 cents off of 2. Beyond Beef, not really sure what that is. Cheerios, $1 off of 2, which I like those coupons, $1 off. There for a while they were giving us $1 off of 3, but I think more people like the $1 off of 2. Chock full of nuts. Okay. Clairol, 5 off of 2, 2 off of 1. We are getting some Colgate coupons. We have 50-cent off coupons, $1 off of 1. Depends, 2 off of 1, 3 off of 1. Ensure, 5 off of 2. Eucerin, 2 off of 1. Fuji Water, 50 cents. Finished, Jet Dry, all that stuff. Sometimes we able to use those coupons. More General Mills coupons, $1 off of 1. Another $1 off of 1. Glucerna, 4 off of 2. Nivea, 3 off of 2, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Pillsbury, we're getting 50 cents, 50 cents. Poise, 2 off of 1 and 3 off of 1. Usually those Poise Active with the 3 off of 1, we've been getting some really good deals with those. So if you guys want to use that with that. Reese's Candy, $1 off of 2. Now you guys will definitely be seeing a lot of candy on sale that you guys can use with coupons. I know with CVS this week you can get some really good deals. So just share with you guys in case you want to do those. Sudafed, 2 off of 1. Sorry you guys, I'm just tired. $1 off of 1. Super Pretzel, Theratiers, White Castle, and that seems to be about it. And then here is the P&G. Now, P&G is pretty much the same for everybody, except not everybody gets Tide and like the Downy, but everything else everybody pretty much gets. So we're getting 3 off of 1 Always, 2 off of 1. Now here's a good coupon for the Always. And my computer, oh, I thought my computer froze. For the Always pads, we're getting a 3 off of 2, which is a great coupon. Bounty, $1 off of 1. Charmin, $1 off of 1. Crest mouthwash, toothpaste, $1. Febreze, we got $2 off of 1, the small spaces. And then they have the plug-in scented oil, buy one, get one free. Gain dishwasher, $1 off of 2. Gillette, 3 off of 1 and 2 off of 1. Head and Shoulders, 2 off or 3 off of 2. Usually they used to be 5 or 4, but they're not as great anymore, but that's okay. BioRenew, 3 off of 2. We're getting Love's Diapers, 1 off of 1. Mr. Clean, Olay, 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 Olay. Old Spice, $1 off of 1 hair product. And then we got some body spray and deodorant, $1 off of 2. Pampers Wipes, 50 cents off of 2. That's not a great coupon, but 3 off of 12. I think that's supposed to say 3 off of 2 bags of Easy Ups. Pampers, 3 off of 2. We always get those every single time. Pantene, 5 off of 3, another repeater coupon. Here is another coupon for Pantene, buy one shampoo. You get the waterless product, 50% off to 50% off. Okay, that's weird. Puffs, 25 cents. Secret, Swiffer, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Tampax, 3 off of 2. I have a feeling we'll get some really good deals off of Tampax and always at CVS if you guys shop there. Venus, 3 off of 1. Venus, 2 off of 1. And Vicks, 3 off of 2. More Vicks. Okay, so that is what inserts we will be getting this Sunday. So just keep in mind what you guys know, what you guys get, and what you don't get. But I'm here to share with you guys what you guys get. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.